Mr. Makosonke Zungu, can we then proceed?
I'm listening.
Thank you. Just as we did yesterday, can you confirm that the names that are appearing on the statement are your names?
Yes. Yebo ngaqinisekisa ukuthi amagama ala amagama ami.
And then that the ID number that is appearing on the statement, it is indeed your ID number.
Nokuthi ID number yakho.
Yebo.
Yes.
Did you give this information to Brigadier Gininda?
Wena wanikeza ngale information kuBrigadier Gininda?
Kunjalo.
That's correct.
Did it follow the interview that you had with Brigadier Gininda?
Okay.
Did it follow the interview the witness had with Brigadier Gininda?
Did he follow it?
This name and ID number follow the interview that they were having?
Le mniningwane ke landela ke interview le enani nayo no Brigadier Gininda.
Nini wayipe? ID nelokho amagama.
That's correct.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
And then on paragraph number 1, I'm an adult male born 1981-08. I'm residing at the Tlhaba village, River Cross, Beggarsford. Do you confirm this information?
Uyaqinisekisa lokho?
Yebo.
Yes.
Are you the author of this information?
Wena owanikeza ngayo the information?
Yeah.
Yes.
With cell phone number ending with 5681.
Ngale cell phone number le egcina ngale number 5681.
Yebo.
Yes.
Did you give the information to Brigadier Gininda?
Wena wanikeza uBrigadier Gininda?
Yeah, amni.
Yes, I did.
I'm currently employed by Marola Platinum Beggarsford as a minor.
Yashokela ukuthi ngisebenzela iMarula Platinum eBeggarsford nanjenge minor.
Yes.
Yes. Yebo.
Did you give this information to Brigadier Gininda?
Wena wanikeza uBrigadier Gininda le information?
Yes.
Yebo, imina owamnikeza.
Paragraph number 2. I would like to state that I'm a cousin to Sifiso Gwabeni, who stays at Basutwini Hostel, Fosloras.
Ngiumzala. Okay. Ngiumzala wakhe uSifiso Gwabeni ohlala eBasuthu Hostel eFosloras.
This cousin umfowethu.
It's not a cousin, it's my brother.
When someone says in English, someone is your cousin, it can also include your brother because you are not born from the same mother. Is it not so?
Ngiyisi uma ngabe umuntu esithi ucousin wakho angasho ukuthi umfowethu ngoba anizalwa uma oyedwa.
Oh, ngiyabona.
Oh, I hear you.
Do you accept that he is also your cousin?
Uyakwamukela ukuthi uba uyena umzala wakho noma uyena umzala wakho.
Kodwa ngesinto kunjalo umzala umntaka auntie.
But traditionally that is not the case. Your cousin would be your aunt's child or your uncle's child.
Thank you. But you do confirm that Gwabeni is not your sibling.
Kodwa ke ongaqinisekisa ukuthi ke uGwabeni akusiyena umntwana kama wakho umntwana kababa wakho.
Yeah.
That's correct.
Did you give this information to Brigadier Gininda?
Wena watshela uBrigadier Gininda lokho?
Yeah.
Yes.
Did you also inform Brigadier Gininda that Gwabeni stays at Basutwini Hostel?
Wena watshela uBrigadier Gininda ukuthi uGwabeni uhlala eBasuthu Hostel?
Yebo.
Yes.
Does Gwabeni stay at Basutwini Hostel?
Uhlala khona impela uGwabeni?
Yebo uhlala khona.
Yes, he stays there.
Do you know where Basutwini Hostel is?
Uyazi Basuthu la ikhona Basuthu Hostel?
Fosloras.
Fosloras.
Thank you. Have you been there before?
Usuke waya khona lapho?
Yeah, ngaya.
Yes, I've been there.
Which year?
Nyaka?
Engisawukhumbula 2017.
The year I can recall is 2017.
I am also a nephew to Sizwe Zungu, who is a police officer in Tembisa.
Uyena ke nomshana kuSizwe Zungu oyiphoyisa eThembisa. Shana nephew.
Oh. Yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
Do you confirm that?
Yes.
Yebo ngiyaqinisekisa lokho.
Is that what you said to Brigadier Gininda?
Yiloko wakusho.
Ngathi uba omncane ngiyindodana kuye but ngoba ngathi nithi uma niyadibanisa nje nidibanisa ngayo.
I said is my uncle. My lord, the word uncle in English, it says uncle in English, but in Sizulu it said Baba Mncane, which is my father's younger brother. So, but in English it says uncle. So I said to him, it's my uncle, in other words, my father's younger brother. But as you said now that in English it's all the same.
So that is how you explain to Brigadier Genini.
mina ngakusho kuye ngathi uSizwe Zungu ungubaba omncane.
What I said to Brigadier is that he's my uncle. In other words, he's my father's younger brother.
And you confirm that is indeed your father's younger brother.
Uyaqinisekisa-ke lokho impela ukuthi uyena baba omncane?
Yebo.
Yes.
And then do you also confirm that he is a police officer?
Uyaqinisekisa nokuthi uyilona iphoyisa?
Yebo.
Yes.
Did you also give that piece of evidence to Brigadier Geninda?
Naloko wamtshela uBrigadier Geninda.
Lokho ngakusho lokho.
That I said.
Okay, paragraph 3. Somewhere after September 2014, I visited my uncle, in brackets Sizwe Zungu, in Vosloorus. At this stage, okay, let's stop there.
Nesikhathi-ke emuva ko-September 2014 la engavakashela khona-ke ubaba omncane uSizwe Zungu eVosloorus.
Angikwazi lokho. Because ubaba omncane akahlala eThembisa, akahlala eFosa ahlala eThembisa.
I don't know about that because my uncle doesn't stay in Vosloorus. He stays in Tembisa.
Futhi akaze ngivakashele ngo2014.
And I've never visited him in 2014.
At this stage, I was employed by P2 Mining in Rustenburg.
Ngaleso sikhathi leso-ke ngangisebenzela i-P2 Mining eRustenburg.
Did you work for P2 Mining in Rustenburg?
Yes.
Yebo, ngangisebenzela i-P2 Mining eRustenburg.
Which year?
Ngo2014.
In 2014.
And then did you give this information to Brigadier Geninda?
Wakusho lokho uBrigadier?
Yes, ngakusho lokho.
Yes, I said this.
I arranged to meet him in Johannesburg. Thereafter, we proceeded to Vosloorus to visit my cousin, Sifiso Zungu.
Sazwana-ke ukuthi sizohlangana eJohannesburg emuva kwalokho noma eGoli emva kwalokho-ke siqhubeke-ke noma saqhubeka-ke saya kumzala wami eVosloorus uSifiso Zungu.
Bengicela ukuzikhuluma ngompunyaka la.
I would like to inquire, which year are we referring to here?
By reading the statement, they say.
Lana sifunda statement la.
Ayikho into engayi-arrange uSizwe Zungu mina.
There's nothing that I arranged with Sizwe Zungu.
Did you meet Sizwe Zungu in Johannesburg?
Ngabe wahlangana yini noSizwe Zungu eJohannesburg?
Mina ngahlala noSizwe Zungu ngo2017.
I met Sizwe Zungu in 2017
And sasingazange arrange lutho.
and we never arranged anything.
So it just happened by mere coincidence that you are both in and around Carlton Center in Johannesburg.
Into nje eyazenzekela ukuthi nababili-ke nibe se-Carlton Center eJohannesburg.
Yes, by 2017 kwenzeka kanjalo.
Yes, in 2017 it happened like that.
And then do you agree with me, the manner in which you met Sizwe Zungu in your own version in 2017, it is exactly how you met him in 2014 as well?
Hayi, angikwazi lokho mina.
I am putting it to you.
No, I don't know that. I never met him in 2014.
I am putting it to you that you did meet Sizwe Zungu in 2014, and it's exactly how you say you met him in 2017.
Ngithi-ke mina kuwena-ke wahlangana naye ngo-2014 and kwenzeka futhi-ke ngale ndlela le owahlangana naye
Ngithi mina la njengoba la kusho la statementini. Istatement sithi uSizwe Zungu sa-arrange, azange arrange ukuthi uSizwe Zungu. Into engicela bhuti wami nansi Mr. Sibanda. Ngicela ukuthi ngikhulume nawe. Mr. Sibanda, akungabi sengathi ongaphezulu ucindezelo ngaphansi. Mhlawumbe fanele mina ndole impilo yami kuwe.
What I'm saying
Because
is
ngisho kahle 2014 akazi baseFosolas mina.
You need to calm down, Mr. Zungu.
No, imbuzo yakho.
It won't help you to point me with fingers and raise your voice. I'm not raising your voice, my voice, and then I expect you to do the same.
No, usho ukuthini mawuthi mina ngade wanisizwe ngo2014
I am putting it to you.
Ubeka kimi. Ngakaze kwenzeke.
I am putting it to you. It's evidence before this court.
I-evidence kaSizwe hayi yami. ngithe kuwe msukungibuza ngento engayazi ngibuze ngento engiyaziyo ebhalwe la eyabhalwa yimi hayi le emfitshi ebhalwe la engabhalwanga yimi le and uyayibona even nala ngapha egcineni iyatshentsha yabhalwe yuvile lento le kusho ukuthi umuntu obuye nephepha labuye khona iphepha ozosayinisa mina lento le because even each and into la akusho ukuqotho kuyiqiniso kula idibana phi into zakwakhaya nalokuzana ngoba nje into babeyixoxa etafuleni lapha ecourt lapha eboardroom sixoxwa yibo nguyendwa exoxa into kamuzi ukuthi wadubula kwakhaya ngangikuphi mina kwathiwa yini wangipha ingxenye yokuthi yokukhokha kwakhaya ngangekho lapho mina.
Can it be interpreted? I'm not sure if Mr. Jonas you'll be able to interpret.
I cannot.
Mr. Jonas ngicela ukuthi ngichazele into eyenzeka lapha uyezwa
Ngicela ungayijaji
angizokujaha uyezwa into eyenzakalayo uyezwa bathi kimi ubaba mina noGwabini nobaba kaGwabini nobaba kaMuzi uyezwa sahamba sakwakhaya sawukhokhela ulukuzana umuzi ngathi mina angaze nesingle ingxenye yengqoqo zabantu bakwasibiya nabantu bakwaNdwandwe angiyazi kwaleyo nto leyo mina.
What they alleged there is that myself, Mr. Zungu, Mr. Sibiya's father, we went to Kwakhaya to go and pay compensation for this. No kokela the Ndwandwes, to go and pay compensation for the Ndwandwe families. I have never formed part of such a thing, my lord.
So ingakho ngitshela this statement lesi angazi ufuna ngiphendule statement ngoba ngisazi.
Hence I'm saying to you that this statement, I don't know what it is that you want me to answer on this statement because I don't know the statement.
Mr. Zungu, you need to calm down. We are going through the statement paragraph by paragraph, line by line.
Ngizocela ke ukuthi uhlise umoya ngoba ke siyasifunda ke istatement ngalendlela esibhalwe ngayo.
But ngicela ngamfuza amagama.
But what I'm asking you is not to force words onto me.
I'm not forcing words to you. It's cross-examination. I must ask you questions.
Angikufunza amagama ke ngihloma imibuzo ngifanele ukuthi ngikubuze imibuzo.
Bungumbuzo umuntu ukubeka kimi.
Is it a question when you say you are putting it to me?
But that's how it happens in court, unfortunately, Mr. Zungu.
Ngeshwa ke indlela ekwenzeka ngayo enkantolo leyo.
Yikho ngithi shutho ngaphezulu cindezelwa ngaphansi.
Hence
ngoba na statement naso sikhombisa ukuthi kwacindezelwa mina la ngento engayazi.
Hence I'm saying that the one that is above or that is on top is suppressing the one that is below or underneath, because that is exactly what happened here with regards to the statement that I was the one that was being suppressed.
There's no one who's suppressing you. Let's proceed.
Okay.
Akekho okucindezelayo.
Okay, my lord, I see it's 11:15. Can we then break for tea time?
Yes.